Today we'll be dealing with Wassce 2019 Maths Pass question 35. Find the equation of a straight line passing through the point 1, minus 5 and having gradient 3 over 4. A, it says the answer is 3x plus 4y minus 23 equals 0. B, 3x plus 4y plus 23 equals 0. C, 3x minus 4y minus 4y plus 23 equals 0. And D says 3x minus 4y equals minus 23 equals 0. Now this particular question is asking us to find the equation of a line when the gradient m is given as 3 over 4 and then the lines, that's x comma y, is given as y comma minus 5. Y and minus 5, these are the two lines. Now to solve this question, the formula is m, which is gradient, equals x, m equals y minus y1 over x minus x1, and this is the formula for finding the equation of a line. Now we have that our gradient is 3 over 4 now equals, what is our y? We have that our y is minus 5, so we have y minus 5. Let's call this x1 y1. Y minus 5 divided by x minus x1 is the same thing as saying x minus 1, because our x1 is 1. And once you solve further, you have that you cross multiply, and by cross multiplying we have that 3 into x minus 1 is equal to 4 into, now y minus 5 is the same thing as y plus 5 over x minus 1. So we have that y into, so 3 into x minus 1 is the same thing as saying is equal to 4 plus y plus 5. So by cross multiplying, I say 3 into x minus 1 equals 4 into y plus 5. So if we solve further, we have that 3 plus x gives you 3x. 3 multiplied by minus 1 gives you minus 3. Now is equal to 4 multiplied by y gives you 4y plus 4 multiplied by 20. 4 multiplied by 5 gives you 20. So we collect like terms, taking the 4y and the 20 to the left hand side. We have that 3x plus 4y minus 3. Now when you take the 20 to the other place, it becomes minus 20 equals 0. Now this is 3x minus 4y, 3x minus 4y. Now the 4y is positive here, but when it moves to this other side, it becomes negative. So now if we simplify further, we have that 3x minus 4y minus 3 minus 20 gives you minus 23 equals 0. So 3x minus 4y minus 23 equals 0 is the answer to this question, and that's the same thing as option D, 3x minus 4y minus 23 equals 0. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.